So, first of all, I found a new color. And we're about to get into it. Alright, so as you see, I just finished applying it all in my hair and it didn't take that long. One thing I will say, this stuff smells great. I found it at Sally's, but I just looked at my hair in the bathroom mirror and it looks like I'm gonna be rocking a new color come this summer. And we're gonna come back and see what it looks like after it has dried completely. So anyway, we'll be back, guys. And we're back the next day. Said product, said hair. I really don't even know how to explain this. Let's do the things that I like. I love the smell of this. The smell of this, top notch. So whomever is in their fragrance department for the product, you're doing an amazing job. So when I got up this morning, I went to the bathroom. I did my regular routine with my hair. I just poured my oil in my hand, rubbed it, and then started distributing the oil through my hair. Then I started to separate my hair. And as I began to separate my hair, I noticed how it continued to go back to my scalp. So the shrinkage has always been real for my hair. But with the next day after I've washed it, it gets a little loose. Like every day your hair gets a little looser from the tight curls. But I felt like it just kept, the snapback was serious. Like the snapback and that shrinkage. So pros and cons or versus for these two products. This one has an amazing smell to it. This one still gives me men's aftershave. Nothing's wrong with that because it's really not about the scent. But for me, if I'm wearing a product that's going to be in my hair for an amount of time, I do prefer it to smell satisfying to me, pleasing to me. But the thing that with the smell of the ORS, it didn't bother me because once I put my oil on my hair, that's all I smelled afterwards was my oil. If I'm going to be buying a hair product, I want that hair product to smell satisfying. Now, let's get off the scents because I think I've said enough. The texture for the ORS is thicker than the As I Am. The As I Am is more loose. I say it's easier to distribute the As I Am through your hair than it is to distribute the wax, the ORS through your hair. But I mean, that's just your preference, whichever you choose. So let's talk about the color payoff. ORS. This is a true color payoff in my opinion. It's true to the color. Literally, I feel the color payoff is what it is. The color payoff for the As I Am looks nothing, in my opinion. It looks nothing like the actual color. So we'll already put the lid back on it. But I mean, if you look at my hair and then look at the product, it's two different colors. Like my hair basically kind of looks more like the color of my shirt than it does I thought this would be more of a golden brown brownish type, because that's kind of like what it looks like, but it's definitely more of a yellow. I don't know, like I don't know what had happened. It's not true to its color, and something just got in my eye. Okay, so as I said, the color payoff is just not what it looks like to the eye. Doesn't look like this. I was looking for it to be more gold, so I could be Maze featuring Frankie Beverly, the golden time of day. Sorry. I would suggest you choose either or. Both of them are good products. The As I Am is at Sally's, and they do have a variety of colors. So my review, maybe had I waited 2 days to separate and fluff, I would have gotten a better result. Not saying that I'm gonna have a better result tomorrow, but as of today, I look like I got my hair cut. I don't like looking like that. Or instead of me putting my part back in my hair like I've been doing, I should have just did straight fro. But we are definitely in that awkward stage right now, and I'm holding out on getting it cut. So bear with me. If you see more hair product videos, bear with me. Just know I'm trying. But either product is a good product to use. The one that I'm most comfortable with is definitely the ORS, only because I've used it the most. I'm going to give the As I Am more chances. I'm not just gonna put it to the side, because the fact that it smells great is gonna keep drawing me to it. Now, will I get another color from the As I Am line? Probably not. I just don't need a red, and the red that they had is like fire red, and I'm good over here. No Ronald McDonald's for me. I'm good. So the bold gold, that's what it's called, that's the color. The bold gold for me is good, and that's where we're gonna stop and be happy. You can find the As I Am at Sally's, and if you look good enough and hard enough, you can find the ORS Curls Unleashed Color Blast at Walmart or Target. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and until I make my next one, I'll see you guys then, and don't forget to listen to Niece Ava. Bye!
Click subscribe and turn on notifications. Give me a huge thumbs up.